in programming the concept of input output. It's the feedback, or it's the data which you need to transfer from the real world into the computer world. So you need to tell the computer what to process. It may be a number, it may be a voice, it may be something which you need to give, which needs to be processed. So that basically is input. So usually in the maths we just input a value. So that is input, and then the computer does some processing, and then comes the output. So in C language, what we do is we use scanf for input. So if you scanf will always be having the same the syntax is the same, just like a printf, as I told you before in one of the video. In the printf, what you have is you have parentheses. It's a function. So in this function, you're just going to input. You're just going to have some parentheses. Within the parentheses, what you'll be having is you'll be having quotation marks. Within the quotation marks, what you need to put is something which you need to display on the screen. It will be output on the output device. And then there's going to be a semicolon. Same goes for scanf, but then in scanf you're going to have another variable also. In printf also you're going to have a variable, but in printf it will print the value which is present inside that variable. And after the quotation marks you're going to put a comma. In both the cases, in printf and scanf, you're going to put the comma, and after the comma is going to be the name of the variable. Let's say it's a variable called num, N-U-M. Or simply if you say n, or a variable a, so you want to see what is in this variable, what value is being stored in this variable. So it'll display the value which is stored in this variable. So this is the common syntax. This is the syntax of printf and scanf. In printf and scanf, and both these are functions, so they're going to followed by the parentheses. Within the parentheses you're going to have quotation marks, and within the quotation marks you can write anything which you want to display as it is, like assalamu alaikum, or your name, and then afterwards there's going to be comma and the name of variable.